Every time you walk into the room, got me feeling crazy. Shock my heart, boom, boom. Any other boy would stare, but me, I look away.
Good day everyone, my name is Myra Grace Diosara, and today we will be demonstrate the sound correspondence. Letter E, ah, ah. A is for apple. Letter B, 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 b. B is for baby. Letter C, k, k, k. C is for candy. Letter D, 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 d. D is for diamond. E. Letter E is E. A is for elephant. Letter F. F is for fairy. Letter G. 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 G is for glasses. Letter H. 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 H is for hand. Letter I. E. E. I is for igloo. Letter G. J. J. G is for jelly. Letter K. 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 Key is for keyboard. Letter L. L. L is for ladybug. M for M. M is for monkey. N. N is for needle. O. 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 O is for orange. P. 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 P is for funny. Q. Q. Q is for queen. R. 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 R is for rainbow. S. 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 S is for spider. T. 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 T is for tiger. U. U is for umbrella. V. V. V is for violin. W. W is for whale. X. X. X for xylophone. Y. Y is for yu. Z. 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 Z is for zebra.